everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. Everything went by perfectly. I didn't have any problems. I wish I had some extra coupons on me, but other than that, everything went by smoothly. It ended up becoming a pretty good haul. Yeah, so I'm just gonna dig right in. Now, the best deal that you guys can do, hopefully you guys have these, is the soft soap deal. Now, I did this deal with both of my cards. Now, I try not to do a lot of the same deals, but sometimes I just don't want stuff to go to waste. So what I ended up doing is I only had two of the 75-cent off body wash coupons, so I ended up using with one card. These were $3.49. Now, these are new scents. I got Coconut Gentle Wash and Almond Gentle Wash, so I thought those are kind of cool to have. But these are $3.49. I used two 75-cent off coupons that we had, and then I also had a 2 off of 2 CRT that popped up from last week. So I ended up paying $3.48 for the both of these, but then you guys will get $1.75 each, so $3.50 back with an ECB. So these both come out to be for free. So I was pretty excited to do that deal. And then I'm like, you know what, I want to do this deal again because I really I can't pass up soft soap. But I did not bring my coupons that I printed from coupons.com because I'm like, oh, I'll just do one transaction. But then I was at the store. I'm like, oh, I should have done it. So I ended up doing the same deal again. These are $3.49. But then I used only one 50-cent digital coupon. I only had one because it was digital. So I also used the 2 off of 2 CRT that I had. So I paid $4.48 for this, but then you get $3.50 back. So this comes out to 98 cents or just 50 cents a piece, which is still a pretty good deal. So it just depends on how you guys can get those coupons. But if you guys can get those 50-cent off coupons from coupons.com, it ends up being $1/4 a piece if you guys use two of those. So wanted to share with you guys with that deal. Now, I did the Colgate toothpaste deal. I just did it on one card. This was $3.49. You guys want to use two $2 off coupons. You guys would pay $2.98. But then you guys will get $2 back and $2 back in an ECB, making it $4. Comes out to be a $1.02 moneymaker. So I always love it when you can get toothpaste for free and make a profit. I usually say you should never pay more than $1/4 for toothpaste, but then sometimes, you know, then you make money. So it kind of evens itself out. So wanted to share with you guys with that deal. I did the Schick razor deal again because this is a pretty good deal. So I got the regular Schick razor. These was $11.29. And then I got the blades. These were $13.49. I used that buy one get one free coupon. The coupon goes up to like 12 something, but they took off $11.29 because this is what you get for free. And then I had a 3 off of 12 razor shave CRT. So I paid $10.49 for the both of these, but then you guys will get $10 back in an ECB, making it just 49 cents or $1/4 a piece, and I think that is a pretty good deal. CVS is a place where I always get razors. I really stock up on razors, especially the good ones, so I thought that was a pretty good deal on that. And there is 2 cartridges in here, and then you got 4 plus 5. So yeah, there's 5 cartridges in here. So had to share with you guys with that deal. The next deal I did was a Listerine. Now, my store didn't have these labeled, but I'm like, you know what, I'm going to do this deal anyways and just see what happens. Otherwise, if not, I will figure something out. So these were $2.69, these little mini ones. I've tried Listerine before, and I'm not a big fan. They are super strong, but otherwise, it's still a cool deal. You know, these are perfect for traveling. But these were $2.69. I had a 2 off of 6 Listerine CRT, and it didn't say anything about sizes, so I did get that. So I paid $6.07 for all 3 of these, but then when you guys buy 3, you get $8 in an extra care book. So I made a $1.93 moneymaker. I got these absolutely free, and I made some money off of that. So I think that is a pretty great deal. Okay, the next deal that I was super excited about is the soap deal, you guys. This was super awesome. So the Palmolive is $3.19. Did I not write this down? I did not write this down, but this was $3.19. They're on sale right now for buy one, get one free. So I also used a 50-cent coupons? I can't remember. Yeah, 2 50-cent off coupons that we just got in today's paper. Plus I had a 2 off of 2 Palmolive CRT. So I ended up getting these for 10 cents a piece, you guys. 10 cents. I thought that was a pretty good deal. I've used Palmolive for years. I bought jugs of it and we still have it left because I bought this before I really started the extreme coupons, so we're still trying to use that stuff up, but otherwise I will be definitely using hand soap like crazy once the bottle season starts because I hand wash a lot of stuff. So definitely had to share with you guys on the soap deal. Make sure you guys can do that deal because that is a good deal. Now they do have this for the cash card deal, but I'm not doing that. I just needed to do that free deal. Okay, so the next deal we did was the L'Oreal deal. Now, I haven't bought L'Oreal in forever. The reason is because those coupons are like a limit of 1. So I'm just like, whatever, you guys, you know. But I wanted to share this deal with you guys anyways because I do like their eyeshadow. And I really like trying different mascaras. But this was $8.79. This was $6.59. Paris, no. My cat's crying. But you guys want to use a $2.50 off coupon for the mascara and a $2 off coupon for the eyeshadow that we got from a couple weeks ago. Now I have the hiccups. I just drank some water. I also had a $3 off ECB that I got from last week. So I paid $7.88 for both of these. But then you guys will get a $5 ECB back, making it $2.88 or $1.44 a piece. Sorry, when my cat's near me, I can't stop petting her. But I think that's an okay deal. I mean, $1.44 for $8 mascara, $9 mascara, I think is a pretty decent deal. So I just wanted to share with you guys on that. In case you guys want to, you know, get stuff on beauty. I hardly ever get beauty anymore. I mean, I feel like I get more shampoo than I get makeup. I have a feeling more people get shampoo than they need makeup. So, there's that. Now I'm going to show you guys my $40 deal that I did at CVS. $40 a shampoo and conditioner. This is crazy. But I still think it's a pretty decent deal. So, I got the whole blends deal. Now, this was 2 for $7. I did the Garnier Fructis. This was $3.99. It was like buy 3, you get like $3 or something like that, I think what it was. I did not get a chance to print my dollar off coupon. I tried doing it last night. It would not print. So I did not have a coupon for this, but I did use a 3 off of 2 coupon for the whole blends. I ended up getting the L'Oreal Everpure. I used 1 paper coupon and 1 digital coupon. So these were 2 for $15, and I used 2 of those $2 off coupons. Again, 1 printable, 1 digital. And then I got the Tresemme. Now these were $6.59, and it was buy one, get one 50% off. So I ended up buying 4 of those. So I got 2 of those, and then 2 more of those. So, and then I used 4 off of 2 coupons that we got from our inserts for that, okay? I also used that 10 off of 40 CRT that is printing for everybody, and then I had a 2 off of 2 CRT that I got from last week for the Tresemme. So everything before coupons comes to $45.76. After coupons and CRTs, it comes to $18.76. You guys will get $3 back in an ECB for the whole blends and the Garnier Fructis. You guys will get $5 back in an ECB for the L'Oreal. And then you guys will also get $5 back, I think, when you spend $15 for the Tresemme. So that was 13 bucks right there. You guys can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards to get bonus points for the Tresemme. Now, Fetch Rewards with CVS is very tricky because they pretty much go... The receipt gives you your price, what everything is after ECBs, and everything's factored in. So sometimes I do have to correct my receipt on the app. And I've never gotten denied for it, but it just depends on what you do. So, but everything after coupons and everything totaled, it comes out to technically be $5.76 or just 64 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. I actually do want to try this. This is going to go in the Jennifer pile for future shampoo and conditioner, and I can't go wrong for 64 cents for this stuff when it's kind of, I mean, $7.50 they want for this, and then I got it down to 64 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal, and trust me, I rarely ever get, so I was excited about that. So that is a pretty decent deal if you guys want to stock up on shampoo and conditioner. Sorry, my water's knocked over. But yes, that was my total. My total ended up I combined all three together. I feel like it's just easier just combining everything. But my total for all three transactions was $10.86. I ended up using $43.46 of ECBs, but I did receive $47 back. Now I also will be getting at least $3 or $6 back for beauty, so just giving you guys a heads up on that, but I don't factor that in ever. I used to, but not anymore. But after I received $47 worth of ECBs, my total came to $7.32. So I think $7.32 is a pretty good deal for what I got. I mean, I got razors. I mean, this thing alone right here is 13 bucks. I think it's ridiculous, but yeah. So yeah, $7.32. I got 24 items total. That comes out to be just 31 cents a piece. So that's an even better deal when you can get stuff for just 31 cents a piece. So other than that, that was my haul. I was super excited to see what I mean, I was excited to get stuff that I rarely ever get. So that's one thing that I love sharing with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys all next week for another CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.